Hey everyone! Ever turn off your car and feel it shake like it's had too much coffee? Today, I'm going to explain exactly why this happens, how serious it is, and most importantly, how much it might cost you if you ignore it. One, understanding normal versus problem. First, let me clear something up. A tiny vibration when you turn off your car is completely normal. Think of it like this: your engine is basically taking a quick nap, and sometimes it doesn't settle down perfectly. But there's a big difference between a gentle goodnight and your car doing the rumba in the parking lot. Here's my simple shake test. Normal, you barely notice it. Concerning, you can feel it in the steering wheel. Serious, your entire car visibly rocks. 2. Main causes. Let's talk about the 4 main reasons your car might be doing this shake dance. 1. Motor mounts. Think of these like your car's mattress. When they're worn out, your engine doesn't have proper support. It's that simple. 2. Fuel system. This is like having a clogged coffee filter. When your fuel isn't flowing right, your engine struggles to shut down smoothly. 3. Ignition system. Your spark plugs are like tiny light switches. When they're worn out, they don't turn off properly. 4. Mechanical issues. These are the bigger problems, like internal engine wear. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I post new car-saving tips every week. 3. Simple diagnosis. Here's how you can tell what's wrong without any fancy tools. Motor mount issues. You'll feel extra vibration when accelerating. Fuel system. Your car might hesitate before starting. Ignition system. You might notice rough idling. Mechanical. You'll probably hear unusual noises. 4. Cost talk. Let's talk money, because that's what you really want to know. Fix it now. Motor mounts, $200 to $400. Basic tune-up, $80 to $200. Fix it later. Major engine work, $3,000 plus. Transmission damage, $1,000 plus. 5. Prevention tips. Here's your homework to prevent this. 1. Regular oil changes. 2. Don't ignore new noises. 3. Get tune-ups on schedule. Conclusion. Remember, the shaking car is like your body shivering. It's trying to tell you something isn't right. Take care of it early, and your wallet will thank you later. If this video helped you understand your car's shake better, make sure to subscribe for more simple car care tips. Drop a comment below with your car shake story. I try to answer every comment personally.